Hey guys, so today, like I said in the last video, I'm going to show you how I bleach and dye my hair. First of all, I'm just going to give my hair a bleach bath, then I'm going to bleach my roots, and then I'm going to dye it. But I'll take you along the entire way, so yeah, I hope you think this is helpful, and if you have any other questions you can always leave them down below in the comments, and then I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So I'm going to use this Manic Panic bleach that I showed you in the last video, but like I said before, I'm going to do a bleach bath. It's the first time that I'm going to do this, so I don't really know how it will turn out, but I just wanted to show you how I think it's done. And yeah, just let's get started. Okay, so I left the bleach bath on for about an hour, and I just went and rinsed it off, washed my hair with some shampoo. And by the way, if you hear some noises in the background, it's because my dog is in my dorm right now, so you can hear his nails on the floor and stuff. I just washed my hair with regular shampoo, and yeah, let's reveal the thing together because I didn't see it yet. This is what it looks like right now. I am going to brush it first really quick. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can clearly see that the color is lifted. I do think that I used a little bit too much of my shower gel, but I don't know, I think it will work. Because the yellow that I have is a little bit too light for my taste, so I hope if I put it over this color that it will turn out alright. My tip for you is just mix your bleach as the package says, and then add some shower gel or shampoo, the amount that you use to wash your hair, so it will lift the color even more and it will strip the color more and stuff. I do really like the bleach bath because the color is stripped more and my hair doesn't feel damaged at all, so that's really nice. But yeah, so I'm going to mix up some bleach. I'm not gonna make a lot because the bleach bath lifted my roots more than I expected. So these parts over here, I am not gonna bleach anymore because I think they are light enough. Excuse my dog. But yeah, as you can see here, there is still a lot of brown, and here because I was sloppier over here and over here, and at the back of my head there's a little bit, but overall the bleach bath was a success. So I'm not gonna mix a lot, I will show you. So this is the amount of developer I used, and now I'm just going to add a little bit of the bleach powder. By the way, I never use measurements. I just mix until I get the consistency that I feel is right. So yeah, I'm just going to put my gloves on again and then just bleach the parts that need to be bleached. I think I could probably use the bleach bath method, but I'm just going to use the regular bleach and just leave it on for a shorter amount of time. Just put on the bleach on some of the darker spots. I'm going to leave it in for like 2 more minutes or so, and then it will be lifted enough because as you can see the spots are already blonde, just this part over here, and I just am going to shampoo those parts. So I just shampooed my hair really quick, and now we are going to start dyeing my hair. The actual point of this video. I'm going to dye my hair yellow with this Arctic Fox Cosmic Sunshine. I showed you in the last video. I'm just going to use the plastic container thingy that was included with the bleach, so it's easier to work with. It has this kind of system that you just push and then the dye comes out there. So I'm just going to put some in the bowl right here. I said in the last video that the box smelled kind of bubblegummy, and yeah, it's definitely the dye. So this is what the dye looks like. It's like really yellow, of course. One thing I want to mention again really quick, it says it on the bottle itself, but I'm just going to say it in the video as well. But when you use this kind of hair dye like Arctic Fox, Directions, Manic Panic, those kind of dyes, you cannot condition your hair beforehand because then the dye won't really stick that well. So just shampoo it and then dye your hair, because this is conditioner based, so it will moisture your hair and everything. That's everything I'm going to say. Now I'm really gonna get started, so enjoy this sped up clip of me dyeing my hair. So I dyed my hair. I'm not really sure how to feel about it yet. I don't really think it's going to work out the way I planned it to be. I intended it to be kind of a mustardy color, that's why I didn't bleach my hair entirely, or so that it would be like platinum blonde, because I saw in the bottle that this yellow was just really yellow, and I thought that the orange that was still left in my hair would balance that out. So the yellow and the orange together would turn out to be a mustardy color. But yeah, I don't know what it will look like. I'm just going to put some cling film around this as well. Oh, by the way, my gloves broke, so now I have yellow nails. That's why I don't like to use those kind of gloves, but I didn't have any latex gloves on me. It's the end of the row and it's not enough. Yeah, I'll just put this like this, and then just take another piece from a new row. This piece won't stick because it's the beginning of the roll. So I'm going to leave this on for as long as I want. I'm going to edit some pictures. This isn't damaging to your hair because it's conditioner based, so you can leave it on as long as you want. The longer you leave it on, the stronger the color will be. So yeah, just rinse it out whenever you want. I will check back in when I wash my hair and everything. So yeah, I'll see you in the next clip. Okay, so it's a couple of hours later now. I leave the dye on for about 2 hours. Then I just washed my hair like I would do normally and just let it air dry. It's not completely dry yet, but I wanted to wait until it was as good as dry before I showed it to you guys, because that is the true color. It's not what I was going for, but it turned out better than I expected, to be honest. I was kind of scared that I totally messed it up, so I'm still kind of happy. It's still a bit too orangey for my taste. I was going for a mustard, but more yellow than this, because this is kind of a very orangey mustard. But yeah, next time I hope I'll do it better. Like I said, if you have any questions, you can always leave them down below in the comments. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next video. I will probably make a video like this again, and then hopefully I know how to do the bleach bath technique better. But yeah, I still hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!